Good afternoon, students. Now I want to explain about the hyperconjugation structures. Here, this is CH3, CH2 plus and CH3. How many hyperconjugation structures are exist? CH3, CH plus, CH3. Here 3 alpha hydrogens, here 3 alpha hydrogens. Adjacent carbon is called as a alpha carbon. Here total 6 alpha hydrogens are exist. That is 6 low bond resonance structures are exist. If you take CH plus, adjacent carbon is alpha carbon. In this structure, alpha hydrogen is 1 alpha hydrogen only. Here also right side 1 alpha hydrogen. Total 2 alpha hydrogen. This is total 2 low bond resonance structures are exist in this carbon. If you take in IIT 2011, they ask the question, that is here carbon, carbocation, here adjacent to this one, and also here. Here is having 1 alpha hydrogen. This is alpha hydrogen, alpha carbon hydrogen. This is alpha carbon hydrogen. Total here 3, here 2, 5, and adjacent there is 6. Total 6 alpha carbon hydrogen. There is no bond resonance structures are exist. Here if you take this one, here tertiary carbon, this is secondary carbon, this is primary carbon, this is methyl group. Here 0 alpha hydrogens, here 3 alpha hydrogens, adjacent carbon is alpha carbon hydrogens or alpha hydrogens. Here total 9. The stability, more number of alpha hydrogens will form more stable. Hyperconjugation in free radicals. Same similarly in carbocation, like that in free radicals also exist hyperconjugation. Here this is the example of the free radical hyperconjugation structures. Thank you student.